Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimo and I'm also known as Start Mom of 5. Right, today I've come in here this morning, or yeah, it's the morning, to show you all how to make an everyday easy no foundation makeup tutorial for dark skin. As you all know, I'm a dark skin girl. Yes, I'm a proud dark skin girl. So today I'm just going to be showing you how I achieve my everyday easy no foundation makeup. So before we get started, let's get the lips moisturized. And this is my lip balm from Tarte, and it's called Bud Peony. It's from Tarte and it's called Sugar Rush. That's what it looks like there. That's the first time I ever tried Tarte. And let's get this Hershey hands moisturized. So I love this moisturizer, and moisturizer is from Rituals and it smells amazing, like really amazing. Say it's an everyday easy no foundation makeup tutorial for dark skin. So let's get started. I'm just going to be priming my face right now, and because I've got combination skin, so I have a combination skin, which means that my T-zone is quite oily and the rest of my face is just perfect in its own. From MAC is the MAC Prep and Prime Skin Visage. I've had it for a very long time and this is my second bottle. I absolutely love it. So this is gonna go in the rest of my other face that it's not oily. So that will be my outer skin. So this, I have like natural skin here. There. It's just the outer side of my face. So these are fairly well moisturized than the center of my face. So I just applied that and it's kind of like got this kind of glow sheen to it. So I might not talk much just to be able to concentrate on this. Okay. For the center of my face, I'm going to be using this Becca primer. I know in the days it used to be like very popular. So this is gonna go on my brows, and oops, I just splashed that. So this is gonna go on my brow because those are the places that I get really oily. So my T-zone, these are the places that get really oily for me, and my brows. So these are the places I get really oily. And because we're just using powder, so you want to make sure that those oily places get covered. So also brush on my lids because the lids could also get oily as well. I'm gonna be color correcting. It's not as if maybe I've got like a terrible skin, so I'm gonna be color correcting with this Revolution orange concealer. It's just to go on the places where I've got like dark spots because we are using a powder. So normally with powder you won't get full coverage, so that's why I'm using this orange concealer. It's just a wee dot, just places that you know, like in just there, and then just a dab at the on the high there because I've got some like maybe dark circles. Is that what they call it? All right, so I'm going to use one of my brush. You can see from there it's what I would normally use. So I just dab. You can see I'm not dragging or rubbing. I'm just using this brush to dab it under my eye. And prior to this, I already moisturized my face. I already did my early morning routine. Black brown from Rimmel. So I'm just gonna use the black brown for outer side of my brows. right, this is the finished look of my everyday no foundation natural makeup for dark skin. If you've really enjoyed how I made this natural look and you would love to see more, why don't you click on the subscription button, like this video, drop a comment in the comment section so I know you enjoyed this, and I'll try and bring more of this to you. And also, why don't you share this video as well? Like you see, most of the things that I've used were products that I got from my beauty boxes every month, and some which I purchased with my own money. So some of the things that I used, I will try and link them down in the description bar in terms of the shade and color that I used. And normally when I'm getting ready to film like this is how I do my makeup, because I don't fancy, like, at times maybe wearing the full face foundation, and I feel this is like an everyday makeup. Like, if you want to rush out of the door and you don't want to do the highs, you can just do the powder your brows, and then yeah, that's you good to go. So yeah, this is the end of my video and the fro is how to play. So thank you so much if you have tuned into this channel, and if you're yet to subscribe, why don't you click on the subscription button, like this video, comment in the comment section below, also subscribe and share this video, and I'll catch up with you in my next one, and I hope to see you again. Bye.